Online learning and new technologies are transforming the workplace, enabling employees from all sectors to develop their skills. But when it comes to online training, the challenge can be daunting. For instance, collaborating with different stakeholders, to developing appealing visuals, to considering several devices for content creation, all these elements could be very discouraging. So we have created FQRenLIGNE, your new partner for skills development in the workplace in Quebec. By providing your learners with access to their training resources at any time and exactly when they need it most, you will reduce training costs and see results. Therefore, you can invest in what really matters, the professional development of your employees in a secure environment. This virtual space will adapt to their pace of life and foster knowledge transfer in their specific work context. Additionally, the interface will enable you to monitor the progress of your employees during training. This way, you can see what they are doing during virtual workshops. You will also have access to questionnaire answers and exercises, so you'll have a clear understanding of the learning gaps within your teams. You'll have first-hand, detailed information showing the strengths and development needs of each individual. FQRenLIGNE will help your organization grow. Its vast network of advisors, trainers, and content creators can help you enhance the training offered according to your current and future needs. Boost your team's talents now with Formation Québec en réseau. And together, we can further develop your strengths, one employee at a time.